The Northern Plains. The Northern Plains are located to the south of the Himalayas. They spread from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The east-west extent of the plains is about 2,500 kilometers, and they are 200 to 300 kilometers wide. They cover the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and parts of Assam. The northern plains are flat level land. Many rivers which originate in the Himalayas flow through the plains. Since these rivers begin in the Himalayas, they are perennial rivers and have water throughout the year. The rivers bring with them fine soil called silt or alluvium. Alluvial soil is very fertile and very good for growing crops. These rivers thus make the northern plains rich and fertile. A wide variety of crops grow here. The main rivers have several tributaries. The area watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. The northern plains can be divided into three basins. The Satluj Basin in the west, the Ganga Basin in the center, the Brahmaputra Basin in the east. The Satluj Basin. The Satluj River originates in Tibet. Its source is Lake Rakshastal in Tibet. The river along with its main tributary, the Beas, flows towards the southwest through Punjab to join the Indus River in Pakistan. The Indus finally flows into the Arabian Sea. Punjab and Haryana lie in the Satluj Basin. The entire river basin is very fertile for crop cultivation. The main crops grown here are wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built across the river Satluj to irrigate land and to produce electricity. Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from Satluj, provides water to many dry areas of Rajasthan. The Ganga Basin. The Ganga is the most important river of the northern plains. The Ganga Basin is spread across Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. The Ganga originates from the glacier Gangotri and is also known as Bhagirathi. In the mountains, it is fed by several tributaries such as Alaknanda, Mandakini, and Bhagirathi, before it enters the northern plains at Haridwar. It flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. As it flows along slowly in the plains, it is joined by several tributaries like Gandak, Ghaghra, Kosi, and Gomti. Here, it splits into many distributaries. The two main distributaries are Hooghly and Padma. The Hooghly flows through Kolkata and then drain into the Bay of Bengal. The Padma enters Bangladesh. Here, it joins the Jamuna. Please remember, the Jamuna and Yamuna are two different rivers, the main branch of Brahmaputra in Bangladesh, before entering into the Bay of Bengal. The delta made by Ganga and Brahmaputra is the largest in the world. It is called the Sundarbans. The Brahmaputra Basin. The Brahmaputra River originates near the Mansarovar Lake in Tibet. It runs a long course in Tibet where it is called Sangpo, before it enters the Assam Valley. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers together form the largest delta in the world. This delta is known as Sundarbans. These rivers form a very fertile plain of India. A number of cities have grown along the banks of the river Ganga, e.g. Haridwar, Kanpur. Life in the northern plains. Punjab. Punjab has rivers like Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Beas, and Ravi. The farmers of Punjab use modern means for farming such as tractors and harvesters. The main crops of Punjab are sugarcane, wheat and rice. The capital of Punjab, Chandigarh, is a well-planned city. The Golden Temple of Amritsar is world famous. Industries such as textiles, sports goods, hosiery and motor parts are well developed. Other big cities are Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Patiala, Bathinda, and Firozpur. The main festivals of Punjab are Gurpurab, Baisakhi, Lohari, and Diwali. The main languages are Hindi and Punjabi. The famous dances are Bhangra and Gidda. The special dishes of Punjab are sarson ka saag, makki ki roti and lassi. In Punjab, women wear salwar kameez. The traditional clothes of men are lungi and kurta. Haryana. Haryana lies in the Satluj basin. The farmers get water for irrigation from Yamuna and Satluj rivers. The main crops are wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. The other occupations of people are dairy farming and cattle rearing. Gurgaon in Haryana has the largest car manufacturing plant in the country, the Maruti factory. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. The main languages are Hindi and Haryanvi, a dialect of Hindi. Delhi. The National Capital Territory of Delhi lies in the northern plains of India. It is located on the bank of the river Yamuna. Delhi is the capital of India. All the major festivals of India are celebrated here. There are many monuments of historical importance in Delhi such as the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the India Gate, the Jantar Mantar and the Baha'i Temple, Lotus Temple. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is situated in the Ganga River basin. It is a large and thickly populated state. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, pulses and oilseeds are the main crops of the state. Leather, metal and textiles are some of the major industries. Chicken work of Lucknow is world famous. The main languages spoken here are Hindi and Urdu. Diwali, Holi, Dashahara, Eid and Christmas are the mainly celebrated festivals. Lucknow is the capital city. Some other important cities are Allahabad, Varanasi, Agra, and Kanpur. Bihar. Bihar is the land of two great men, Buddha and Mahavira. It is situated in the Ganga River basin. Patna is the capital city. Rice is the main crop of the state. Wheat, sugarcane and jute are other major crops. Steel plants, oil refinery and fertilizers are the main industries in Bihar. Here, people speak Hindi, Bengali, Bhojpuri, Maghi, and Maithili. People celebrate Holi, Saraswati Puja, Durga Puja, Dashahara, Diwali, Bhaiya Dooj and Chhath with great joy. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya in Bihar are the historical cities. Jharkhand. Most of the areas of Jharkhand are formed by the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Many rivers like Damodar, Koyal and Subarnrekha flow through this plateau. This area is very rich in mineral deposits of coal, iron, uranium, graphite and magnetite. The industries based on mineral resources are found in Bokaro and Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital city. West Bengal. West Bengal lies in the east of Bihar. The Ganga and the Brahmaputra flow through West Bengal. Rice and jute are the main crops of the state. Wheat, maize, potatoes, tobacco and barley are other important crops. Sari is the most popular traditional dress of Bengali women. Men usually wear dhoti kurta. The people of the state speak Bangla. English is also widely spoken. Durga Puja, Kali Puja, and Holi are the important festivals. Kolkata is the capital city. Sweets of West Bengal such as Rasgulla and Sandesh are world famous. Assam. Dispur is the capital of Assam. The people speak Assamese. Their main festival is Bihu. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary of Assam, the home of the one-horned rhinoceros, is very famous. The state has huge deposits of petroleum. Tea production, refining of oil, sericulture, rearing of silkworms for silk, and handicrafts are important industries of Assam. Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. Agartala is the capital city. The main crops are rice, jute and bamboo. Bengali and Kokborok are the two main spoken languages.